Hey everyone, it's me Letitia and welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to do a fall makeup tutorial. Fall is literally right around the corner and I cannot wait to get started on these. I actually got the eye look out of the Perception palette. This is the Shayla and ColourPop collaboration, and she's actually coming out with another collaboration on September 7th, which I cannot wait for. Shayla is definitely one of my favorites here on YouTube and in the makeup community, but this look is very simple. Also, if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel and turn on the notifications down at the bottom of your screen so you'll know every time that I post a video. I'm trying to get to 200 subscribers, so if you could help me out, that would be great. I actually have a set schedule now, so you will see me posting videos every Sunday at 7 p.m. Central Standard Time. So if you want to keep up with those videos, hit the subscription button and the bell down below. But anyway, enough with all of that. Let's go ahead and get right into the video. So starting off with foundation, I'm using the Maybelline Superstay foundations in the shades 334 Warm Sun and 356 Warm Coconut. I have to mix these together, and as you can see, I am struggling with this ugly fever blister, but we're just gonna keep working around it. And look at the coverage that this foundation gives. Like, it's really one of my favorite foundations for full coverage. For my concealer, I'm using the ColourPop No Filter Concealer. This one is Tan 50, but the new shade is Deep 40. And I'm just putting that under my eyes and down the center of my face as usual. And then I'm going to proceed to blend it all out with my Real Technique Beauty Sponge. I'm also going to put a little on my lids as well, so it can be a base for my eyeshadows. This is actually one of my favorite products to use before putting on my eyeshadows as well. It really helps everything to stay in place. So to set my concealer, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder in the shade Medium, which is number 25. And I'm using that same sponge to do that. Now it does have a slight pink undertone, but I actually like the way it looks on my skin, and it's really lightweight. So to set the rest of my face, I'm using this e.l.f. face powder in the shade Medium Tan, I believe. And I'm using a fluffy powder brush to put that all over my face and set my foundation. So now to contour, I'm taking my Maybelline Fit Me Press Powder in the shade Mocha and using another fluffy powder brush. I'm just going to put that on the outer points of my cheeks as well as my forehead, my jawline, and also contouring my nose as well. Now for eyeshadows, I'm taking the shade Revenge from the Perception palette by Shayla and ColourPop, and using a fluffy blending brush, I'm going to put that heavily back and forth in my crease because I really want this color to stand out. It's just a really beautiful kind of brick red shade, perfect for fall. So now I'm going back in with the shade Played Out, which is kind of a dark brownish plum shade, I want to say. But I'm just going to take that same blending brush and putting that in the outer and inner parts of my eye and just blending that out into the first shade as well. So now I'm going to take the shade Strut and Slay, and using my finger, I'm just going to pop that in the center of my lid, and this is so pretty. I could not wait to blend this out. It just looks so nice, and the look was really coming together. So now I'm going to mix the shades Revenge and Played Out, the first two shades together, and I'm going to use that to smoke out the outer part of my lower lash line. I'm not really too crazy about doing my entire lash line, so I just stick to the outer part. So now I'm going to take the shade Spill the Tea and I'm going to use that to highlight the inner corners of my eyes just to really brighten up the whole look. So now I'm taking this mascara by Wander Beauty. It's the Unleashed Volume and Curl Mascara, and I'm just putting a few coats on before applying my lashes. And I also went in with my Pretty Vulgar ink liquid liner. What liner is this? Oh my gosh, it's a liner. But I'm taking my brush and I'm just gonna put a thin line across my eye. I'm not making a wing, but it's just really gonna help with the eyelashes, which I forgot to show on camera. But these are the Kiss lashes in the style Corset, and I'm just taking that same mascara and putting it on my bottom lashes. For my highlighter, I'm using the Maybelline Master Chrome Highlighter in Molten Gold. I haven't used this in so long. It's so pretty. And I'm just taking a highlighter brush and putting that on my cheeks, my nose, my forehead, my cupid's bow, all the usual areas. And finally for the lips, I'm taking my Fenty Beauty Mademoiselle lipstick in the color Shawty. And I'm just going to put that all over my lips, of course, and blend that out. This lipstick is so creamy, but it dries down to a nice matte, which is what I like a lot about it. But that is pretty much the end of the video. I hope you guys like this look. If you do, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. All the information will be down below, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.